Papa, Papa. Purple. People. Papa. Papa. Pa. Cheese hands.
Cheese hands?
Cheese hands.
What does that mean?
Cheese hands. Cheese hands. Papa. This one. A big one.
A big one. Say, what are you doing?
Doing.
What is Elliot doing?
I was doing.
What are you doing?
Painting.
You're painting. Nice.
Like painting.
Nice painting.
I was there.
What's in there?
I was in there.
What's in there?
I was egg.
Egg. Well, there's paint in there now, not eggs.
Paint.
Mm-hmm.
Put it in there. Put it in there. Yeah. Paint. Paint.
Mm-hmm.
Painting.
Are you painting?
Painting. Eggs.
Uh-huh.
I will paint. Paint.
Is that paint on your hands?
Cheese.
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 Say bye-bye.
Cheese.
Say bye-bye.
Cheese.
Bye-bye.
Cheese.
Bye-bye.
Cheese.
Bye-bye. Say, we're going to go get cleaned up.
Cheese.